Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you, without a doubt, the easiest way to make money online and from home at this current time. Now for this method it's absolutely free to get started with. You can even do this from your phone. You don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, and if you can literally plug something in, you can make money with what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. So previously over on my YouTube channel I shared this video here and I had a few comments and questions about this. So today what I'll do is I'll share with you, a bit more in depth about how all of this works and how you can make money with this method, because it's available worldwide and it's genuinely an easy process. So I'm over on this website here and it's called helium.com. Now you see here it says the People's Network is powered by an entirely new incentive model. So basically how it works is you can go ahead and get any one of these devices on the screen and you can plug these in, and basically the longer it's plugged in you're earning money from this. And you might be thinking, well, what is it, how does it work? So if I come over here, this here, look, let me show you this. So this is known as a helium hotspot, and what this does is it enables anyone to own and operate a wireless network for low power Internet of Things. So basically the helium hotspot provides you can see here, the helium hotspot provides hundreds of square miles of connectivity and can transmit data at a fraction of the cost of a cellular network. So basically, if you have one of these, you can earn money by simply because you're helping to power that whole helium, network, and you're, by plugging this in, you're connecting to, hundreds of thousands of other people, and you're basically allowing that data to be transmitted between, all of these different devices. Because if they didn't have these devices online, then, this helium network, it wouldn't be, operational, it wouldn't be functional. But by, owning one of these and plugging it in, you're helping the network to operate, and for doing so they pay you in helium cryptocurrency. And basically once you've got that crypto, you go ahead and you can exchange that for, if you wanted to change it for Bitcoin you can do, or you can just change it into your local currency and you can withdraw that. It's a genuinely simple process. Now over on the website here, these are a number of the different devices that you can get, and if I scroll down here I'll just show you an example of this. So this is how it looks. So basically you plug it in and then you download the app on your phone, and yeah, you're earning money for doing so. And if I scroll down here, look, how do I earn HNT? So HNT is the helium token. So look, participants earn HNT by mining and building coverage for the People's Network using compatible hotspots. So if I come down here, there's a couple of examples of this, so how our tokens earned. And look, I'll drop a link to this page here. You can go ahead and have a look at this and see how it works. But it genuinely is as simple as you plug it in, you download the app and you connect it, and then it's up and running. So there's a number of ways that you can earn with this. Now at this moment in time, there's a few problems with this method here. So if I come up here, you see all of these different mining little units here. They're unavailable in a lot of countries. Some of the companies are completely out of stock. Or the other issue is, some of these, like this Bobcat miner one down here, that can cost up to $600. Over in the UK, I've seen these selling on eBay, believe it or not, for £1,000. It's just ridiculous. But in terms of this, how much could you earn plugging this in, putting it on your windowsill? How much could you earn in your local area? Well, over on this website here, the Explorer, I'll just show you this. This is all of the current hotspots in the world at this moment in time. So you can see there's 123,000 up and running, and if I scroll along here you can see whereabouts they are in the world. So there is possibilities with this all over. But if you want to be nosy and see how much people are earning in your local area, let's just go ahead and we'll just scroll right down here. We'll have a look at this area for example, and we'll drag this over and we'll go into this and have a look at this. So let's come over here. So these are all hotspots in this area here. So if I click on any of these, it will open up the hotspot. So like this one here, and I click on here and it will tell me how much this hotspot or this person has earned for literally plugging this in. So if I scroll down here, you can see in the last, in the last 7 days, it's earned $18. In the last 30 days, it's earned, look at that, $1,158 in the last 30 days by simply plugging in this device. If I click on another one, again, you can scroll through and have a look at any one of these that you want. So let's just click on, for example, this one here. Let's see how, look, there's 2 in this area here. So let's click on this one here and have a look how much of this, this has earned this person. So we're going to click on here. So in the last 24 hours, they've earned $7. In the last 7 days, 41, and in the last 30 days, 252. So you can just play around with this, and you can type in your address and see if there's any of these miners around you, and potentially how much you could be earning from this. So let's go ahead and have a look at one more. So let's just look at this one here, for example, and we'll see how much this is earned. So for whatever reason, this website always runs a bit slow. So look, here is the name of the website, the name of the owner up here of the hotspot. Scroll down here, so let's just click on the last 30 days. They've earned $112. So you can play around and be nosy with this, okay? But as I've mentioned, it works in lots of different areas. Ideally, you do want a couple of other miners to be around you, because obviously your miner is helping send data to other miners around you, within your area. But let's just go ahead and have a look at, let's go to this one here, for example, where there's 2. So let's click on this one here and have a look how much this one's earned. So in the last 7 days, they have earned $200, pretty good. In the last 30 days, they've earned $300. And it genuinely is a simple process of going ahead, getting this device, plugging it in, downloading an app, and then it's off and working for you. So how do you go ahead and get this for free? Because believe it or not, there's a number of companies now, because they're starting to see the potential with this here, how much they think you can potentially earn with this. What they're doing is they're giving away these free miners over here in exchange for a percentage of the earnings from the actual unit. Now, one of these websites which will go ahead and give you one of these hotspots completely for free is this one here, and I'll drop a link to this down below for you. And you can come through and you can have a read about these. They've been featured in all of these different magazines over here. You can have a read of an overview about them. You can even click on About Us, because what they're also doing here is they're also donating to charity, which I think is pretty cool. You can see the team here. And if I scroll back up here, where is it? Look here. iHub Global is a proud supporter of Viva Kids, a non-profit birthed in 2007 to serve the needs of underprivileged children in the Dominican Republic and around the world. But basically how it works is you come over here, you create an account for free. On the inside of your account here, this is what it looks like, and it shows you, look, instructions how to reserve your hotspot via Helium Track. So you literally create an account for free. You put in your name, your name, your shipping address, also your install address. So that basically means where you're going to be installing this device in your home, and a phone number, and then you click on Reserve Hotspot. Now, there may be a case of, there might not be at this moment in time, there might not be a lot of these around you, so you could potentially earn a lot of money. Or it could go the other way, and it might be a case of, in one area, it might be, very, like, let me just try and find an example for you. If you was around sort of this area where there's a hell of a lot of these hotspots, it wouldn't be in that company's, interest to send this out to you for free, because if there's already a lot of people in an area, then potentially they're not going to be getting a decent return for giving away these free miners. But look, it's absolutely free to sign up with this. You can go ahead, you can check this out yourself. You can come over to this Explorer website here and have a look at other people within the area, how much money they're actually earning from this, because it is simply just plug it in and connect it to the mobile app, and you're away making money with this. So the website here is this one over here. I will drop the link for this below. Just simply go over here, sign up, order your hotspot. When it comes inside of this iHub here as well, they have training videos to show you how to connect this and connect it to the mobile app. But overall, it's a simple, easy, and yeah, it's just an easy way to make money online. Now, some of you might be watching this and think, well, I don't want to give away any of my earnings from this device here. What you can actually do is you can purchase these yourself. So I'll share with you, this is the one here. So you see Bobcat, I ordered a couple of these previously. If I click on that, it takes me over to the actual website. If I scroll down here and I click on Order Now, it opens up here, so you can see, look, this model here currently costs $429, and you just select, where you live basically, and yeah, you pay for it. But look, this is not cheap. It's $429 with this company Bobcat. If you want a free one, and you are going to be giving away some of your earnings, then go to the link down below, use that. It will take you over to iHub Global and simply order your little unit, plug it in, and you're making money. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But at this moment in time, this is without a doubt the easiest way to earn money online and from home. I'll also drop a link to this video over here, where we talk about the cryptocurrency HNT and how it can potentially fluctuate and other things to keep an eye out for. But it's a genuinely simple and easy way to make money online, essentially a passive income. So look, that's today's video. Everything's down in the comments below for you in the description. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.